Do you want to know what to do on a stopover of 5 hours in Athens, Greek? Stay tuned. I will show you what you can do. And look at here. Oh my God. Greek salad, my favorite dish. Kalistera. So guys, we flew from Abu Dhabi to Athens and then we had a long stopover. So that's why we decided to find a beautiful place which is only 10 to 12 minutes from the airport. So you know what you can do. Later on I will tell you the place, and I choose this for food. Love it. And also Greek salad, of course. And here we have one friend, Kitty. Hello. I think he belongs to the restaurant. Here you can get an idea how it looks like here. So I will show you now. Okay, this is so beautiful because it's next to the beach. We decided to go for this restaurant, but you can choose different. Also on the other side there are also other restaurants, and this is next to the beach directly. So amazing, this vibe. You can also swim. And here we are with our luggage. Here you see. So nice. I want to jump in. Now we are heading back to the airport. It was a nice day, and here you see, this is the name of the location. Okay guys, I just wanted to update you about the price. So we paid 12 euros with U-Bar from the airport to the restaurant, which was located only 10 minutes far away from here. And here we are back. New destination. Okay, we are here at the bus station with the line number 15, and I'm not sure, I think 16 as well. You can reach from the port of Corfu to the airport, and also the other way around. So we still have some time, and we will explore a little bit the city of Corfu. We will eat something, and yeah, afterwards we're gonna take the bus and head to the airport. It's gonna be a long flight because we are flying through Athens, then back to Abu Dhabi, then back to Dubai. So stay around to see our journey. This is the beautiful city, old town. We are looking for a restaurant here. The weather is just perfect. We have maybe 26 degrees. perfect. Love it. I love the European summer. The country of cats. Hello. Greek salad. Seafood pasta and saganaki. Just in few hours you can get a very good impression of the whole city here in Corfu. What we just realized when we opened the menu here in Greece was that the prices were directly different from Albania. So Albania, guys, is very affordable compared to other European countries, and it's a beautiful destination. If you like Greece, you should definitely consider to go to Albania because it's affordable, beautiful water, beautiful beaches, and also very delicious food.